This is the Jupiter modified sine wave power inverter, 400 watts, 56496, 400 watt, 800 watt peak with picture of it. Visit our website at Harbor Freight. Product support at harborfreight.com. When unpacking, make sure it's all standard. This is copyright 2019 Harbor Freight Tools inverter. Product specifications. Input voltage. Input voltage 11-15 VDC. External fuses 25 amps times 2. Continuous 400 watts. Surge 800 watts. Receptacles 2 AC outlets, 2 USB ports. Waveform modified sine wave. Voltage range 105 to 125 VAC. Well, that's volts, alternating current. Frequency 60 plus or minus 2.5 hertz. USB rating 5 VDC 2 ports shared 3.1A. No load current switch on 0.5A. Maximum efficiency 81.6%. Over voltage shutdown 15 to 16.5 volts DC. Low voltage shutdown 10 plus or minus 0.5 volts DC. Thermal shutdown less than 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Ambient operating temperature 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Note battery charge level, wire length, and other factors will affect your performance. There goes Jupiter. Warning symbols and definition. It says this is a safety symbol alert. It's you. Whoa! That's page 2. It's used to alert you potential personal injury. Obey all safety messages and follow this symbol to avoid possible injury or death. Big danger sign indicates a hazardous situation which is not, if not avoided, will result in death or serious injury. Warning indicates a hazardous situation which, not avoided, could result in death or serious injury. Caution indicates same thing, not avoided. Notice, caution addresses practices not related to personal injury. For technical questions, call that. Important safety instructions. Here's page 3. This manual contains important instructions that shall be followed during installation and maintenance of the inverter. Improper installation can result in serious injury, property damage, or death. General precautions. People with pacemakers should consult their physicians before use. Electromagnetic fields in close proximity to hard pacemakers could cause pacemaker interference. 2. The warnings, precautions, and instructions discussed in this instruction manual cannot cover all possible conditions, situations that may occur, but it must be understood by the operator that common sense and caution are factors which cannot be built into this product and must be supplied by the operator. Installation precautions. Do not install this inverter into a building's electrical system. The inverter is a vehicular accessory. It's not designed to be safely used in a building's electrical system and has not been evaluated to meet building wiring codes. Improper application may cause a fire or electrical shock hazard. 2. To allow proper cooling, install an indoor well-ventilated area and do not cover ventilation openings or cooling fans. Do not install in engine compartment. Especially avoid placing the inverter on carpets or rugs. They are not only flammable, but they also absorb vents underneath, obstruct the vents underneath it. Keep combustible materials and gases away from the inverter. The inverter produces sparks and heat during operation and can start a fire. 4. Connect to a 12-volt DC power supply only. A power supply with lower voltage will not operate the inverter correctly, and the higher voltage could damage the inverter. Connect input polarity properly. Incorrect connection will damage the inverter and void the warranty. Do not use in a marine application. This inverter is not intended to withstand the highly corrosive conditions. In marine application, it would quickly be rendered inoperable or unsafe. That's number 6. Number 7, keep inverter dry and clean. Do not expose to rain, snow, spray, bilge, water, or dust. Use cables that are thick enough The more power amps or the longer the cables, the thicker they need to be to prevent overheating and fire. Install as close to DC source as possible, but not in a closed area, and vented lead acid batteries. Vented lead acid batteries release explosive hydrogen gas that can be ignited by the inverter. Mount inverter horizontally. Verify the installation surface has no hidden utility lines before drilling or driving screws. This product is not a toy. Keep it out of the reach of children. Do not use with positive ground electrical systems. Most automobiles, trucks, and RVs have negative ground systems. The positive plus on the battery on the Verb must be last connection made. Whoa! That must be connected before the inverter is turned on. There may be a small spark during the final connection. This is normal. Properly ground the inverter's case as explained in this manual. Here comes page 4. Battery precautions. Wear splash-resistant, ANSI-approved safety goggles and electrically insulated gloves while working near batteries. 2. Charge, store, and maintain batteries according to supplier's instructions. Locate batteries in a clean, well-ventilated area away from ignition sources and flammable materials. Vented lead acid batteries release explosive hydrogen gas while charging. Use only 12-volt batteries with this item. Operations precautions. I'm going to have to take a break because here comes page 4 and there's 12.